Discord is a social platform designed in 2015 with gamers in mind. It's a great way to play video games with your friends or meet entirely new people. And with text, voice, and video chatting, you don't even have to put down your controller. But in the 7 years it's been around, it's evolved beyond the gaming world and is now used by millions of people around the globe. It's a platform for gamers, students, hobbyists, artists, and families. I even use one to keep up with my college friends. While many Discord servers are invite-only, it's easy for kids to find ones for their favorite games with thousands of active users. Officially, the platform is designed for ages 13 and up. But is it really safe for those younger eyes? And what can parents do to protect their kids while using the app? Today on Ask Safewise, we're taking a look at Discord, what it does, its privacy and safety settings, and what you can do to keep your kids safe. If you've ever used Slack to talk to your coworkers, you've already seen the basics of how Discord works. Just like Slack, Discord organizes its users into servers. These are kind of like online communities based around common interests or organizations. Servers are easy to create, so they can be anything from student groups and coworkers or gaming friends. With each server, users can create discussion threads on any topic they want. For gamers, these could be tips and tricks, favorite characters, fan art, memes, or anything people want to talk about. Servers also have voice chat areas where users can talk, video chat, and share their screens. You can think of Discord like a big virtual living room where people can hang out and talk and share similar interests. You can join multiple living rooms or servers where you'll find threads to talk about different topics. You can create your own server, join invite-only ones, or any of the many public servers out there. Discord works on mobile devices, PCs, and gaming consoles. And for many gamers, it's the weapon of choice for playing with friends around the world. The big appeal of Discord for many is that it's like a social media platform without the ads and extra noise. If your kids love video games, there's a good chance they've already heard or used Discord. It works on mobile as well as Xbox and PlayStation and laptops, so it's easy to access anywhere, especially during gaming. While the platform is officially ages 13 and up, there's no name or age verification when you sign up. And with games attracting players of all ages, your kids could be in threads with players much older than them. The largest servers out there have over 800,000 members, with well over 100,000 signed in and active at any given time. With groups that size and no age verification, your kids could easily stumble across language, images, and videos that they might not be ready for. So with that, I can safely say that I wouldn't recommend Discord for younger teens and children, but the platform has some content filtering options. And with a little active participation from parents, older teens should be fine to use Discord. So parents, this next part's for you. If your teen uses Discord, there are a few things you can do to keep them safe and learn more about the platform. Discord doesn't have parental controls, but you can filter content, direct messages, friend requests, and profile discovery for your kids' accounts. All these settings control who can contact your children and find them within Discord. So, start with the content filters. In the user settings, go to Privacy and Safety. There, you can tell Discord whether or not to scan the direct messages that your kids receive or turn off DMs altogether. Settings include Keep Me Safe, which scans every direct message your kids get. There's also My Friends Are Nice, which only scans messages from strangers. Next, go to Friend Requests. This is where you can adjust settings for who can request to connect with your kids. You can limit this to friends of friends, members of the servers, or everyone. We definitely recommend turning off that last one for younger kids. There's also notification and activity privacy settings that you can check out. I also suggest trying Discord for yourself. It only takes a few minutes to create a server of your own, and you can assign admin and moderator roles, private channels, and other features within it. There, your kids could play games with their friends and you can keep them in safe territory until they're ready to join the larger gaming community. You can even try gaming with your kids to learn more about what they love. Who knows, you might enjoy it. Discord is like a dinner table where everyone can hang out. The The trick is making sure that your kids sit at the right table. The number of people your kids interact with on Discord could be huge or tiny, depending on what server they use. And while younger teens might not be ready for the larger Discord community, there are things you can do to keep bad content and bad actors away from them. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe for more from us every week. We've also got resources for parents in the description below and guidelines on safewise.com. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Thanks for watching. And if you want more safety, head over to safewise.com and you can find reviews and our lineups of best home security systems, best wireless cameras, and more. Stay safe.